Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the past participle. Let's get started. Now, a past participle refers to the form of a verb which is used in forming perfect and passive tenses, and sometimes used as an adjective. Now, have a look at the sentence over here. Olivia has lived in Greece for 4 years. In this sentence, the past participle is used to form the perfect tense, has lived. Now, we usually add ed to the base form of the irregular verb to form the past participle. Have a look at the examples below. John has just painted this picture. Note that the past participle of the irregular verb painted in the sentence is used in the present perfect and in the active voice. And in this sentence, this picture was painted by John a month ago. Past participle is used in the past simple and in the passive voice. Now remember that there is no pattern as to forming the past participle of the irregular verbs. Now you should always consult a dictionary whenever you're in doubt. Remember that we can use the past participle a in the perfect tenses such as the present perfect, the past perfect, and the future perfect. Have a look at the examples below. I've eaten too much. I can't move. Note that the past participle in this sentence is used in the present perfect. And in this sentence, James had already left when Pam arrived. The past participle is used in the past perfect. And in this sentence, we will have landed by that hour. Future perfect. Be in the passive voice. For example, he was driven by genuine interest and curiosity. This dress was made by a famous Italian designer. See, as an adjective. Now, in this case, place it before a noun. Have a look at the examples below. Mike has broken his arm. Now, in this sentence, the past participle is used in the present perfect. But in this sentence, he has a broken arm. In this sentence, past participle is used as an adjective to describe the noun arm. Another example, someone has stolen Anne's purse. Her purse was stolen. And now let's review and practice a bit. Read the following sentences and decide whether the past participle indicates the perfect, passive voice, or adjective. The stolen phone was found near the train station. Adjective, passive voice. I'm sure that it'll have been sold by 10 a.m. Future perfect. It was clear that John has never heard of Vegemite. Present perfect. Now read the following sentences and fill in the gaps with the past participle. I don't think that Mrs. Taylor has ever to cry. She definitely has a strong character. Cried. Do you remember what was to write on the shopping list? I forgot it at home. Written. Don't worry that much. You'll probably find it in the to lose and to find. Lost and found. Here's a short story using the past participle. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I might have spilled orange juice on your dress. What? What have you done? I am supposed to wear it tonight. I don't know how it happened, and you shouldn't have left it in the living room. You know that I'm messy. Stop with these excuses. Google how we can get rid of the stain. I don't have any other dress to wear. And now it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and fill in the gaps with the past participle. A. I wouldn't have to know that if she hadn't to tell me. B. Have you to brush your teeth, sweetie? C. The movie has already to begin. We need to hurry. D. I was to wake up by my noisy neighbor. E. Sadly, my family has never to be abroad. F. I suppose that I'll have to arrive by that time tomorrow. G. Emma's phone was to steal, and now she needs to buy a new one. H. I can't imagine what can happen if a person is to strike by lightning. I. The letter was to send. Check your inbox. J. Peter doesn't possess the to require skills to apply for this job. And now, let's check your answers. I wouldn't have known that if she hadn't told me. Have you brushed your teeth, sweetie? The movie has already begun. We need to hurry. I was woken up by my noisy neighbor. Sadly, my family has never been abroad. I suppose that they'll have arrived by that time tomorrow. Emma's phone was stolen, and now she needs to buy a new one. I can't imagine what can happen if a person is struck by lightning. The letter was sent. Check your inbox. Peter doesn't possess the required skills to apply for this job. Thank you for watching this tutorial.